Imagine crash landing by parachute into the Amazon, the world's largest rainforest, 6.7 million square kilometers of jungle, with no phone signal and 24 hours before rescue planes even start searching. You land hard, not on the ground but in a tree. The Amazon rainforest isn't one layer, it's 4. You land 30 meters up in the canopy, one of the rainforest's 4 layers: the towering emergent layer, the leafy canopy, the dim understory, and the forest floor, where only 2% of sunlight ever reaches. Climbing down carefully, never jumping, you're soon drenched, because sitting almost exactly on the equator means direct sun year-round, feeding daily rainstorms and over 3 meters of rain a year. That constant heat and moisture explain why the Amazon, just 1% of Earth's land, holds roughly 10% of all known species. Millions of tiny evolutionary niches built by a climate that never forces anything to migrate or hibernate. By nightfall, survival strategy kicks in. Find water, follow it downstream. The Amazon River system carries more volume than the next 7 largest rivers combined, and its tributaries have led people to settlements for centuries. The river has always been the road. Along the way, the forest's defenses show themselves. Neon poison dart frogs warning stay away, and a jaguar's spotted coat built for near total invisibility. Finally, a clearing appears at hour 24, not all natural. About 17% of the Amazon has been deforested, disrupting the very rainfall cycle that makes the forest thrive. You survived. The real question: will the rainforest?